right, Sean is graciously volunteering to show us how we get Spring CLI installed. So Sean, show me your downloaded file.
In the actual file
Yep,
itself, such as
correct.
right here. You got it. Here's my file
All right,
and the
so
multiple attempts after.
beautiful. So that folder there, we're going to get into Ubuntu however we can. So I really like John's method. Why don't you open up VS Code and let's copy it in that way.
So here I have VS Code.
Go over to like your home directory, let's say, and on the command line, and then code dot to open it from there. This is a PowerShell instance.
Yeah.
That the little down caret next to the plus symbol, yeah.
Command
Command
prompt.
prompt? Sure. What in the heck in the world? Yeah, this
does not have WSL linked to.
He hasn't set it up in his settings yet.
Oh, this okay. You haven't set up WSL with this.
To be honest, it's worked like every other time until I'm on the spot here in front of you guys.
Fair enough. So I want you to close out of this and like open your normal terminal. Cool. Do a cd tilde. Very nice. And now do a code dot from here. All right, sicko haha yes emoji. So I want you to drag and drop that folder from your file explorer. Try to get it right over your name. Yeah. Okay, very nice. So now I want you to go back to your terminal.
Oh, in the actual VS Code?
Yeah, no, right here, just where you are.
You got it.
So I want you to move into that folder that you just downloaded.
So that's going to be the CD Spring.
Something like that. We can take. You can ls to see what's in there.
So much. Woo!
So it was called. So let me see it. If you look back in your file explorer, what was it called there? Spring Boot CLI. Yeah, try that. Yeah, try to tab complete it. Anything?
Got a ding dong.
Oh, where did we put it then? So back over to your, because I saw it. Scroll all the way down. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Weird. All right, back up to the top. All right, actually, I take it back. Scroll all the way to the bottom on this. All right, beautiful. Now copy that, or sorry, drag that Spring Boot CLI folder down like kind of towards the bottom of that. Yeah, just anywhere in there. Yes, hey, there we go. All right, back over to your terminal. All right, now try, yeah, there we go.
Oh, what's going on there?
Yeah, there we go. Hop in. Cool. So now I want you to sudo mv bin bin/spring.
He's probably gonna need to move in one more folder.
Oh, is he? Yeah. See if your tab completion works.
On that sudo MV.
Yeah, sudo mv. Then just hit
And then
tab
it
a bunch
was-
of times. Oh, just keep hitting tab.
Yeah, you got it. No response.
Nothing. Try. Is this bash or zish? Regardless, give me an S and then hit tab.
No
give
response.
me a delete that. Give me a B and hit tab. All right, delete all that and give me an LS. Is there anything in here? There's nothing in here. We copied an empty folder over. No problem. So give me a CD and then ... Give me a RM-R and then an S and then hit tab.
And that's going to be the spring.
Yep. Give me that spring one. Just keep hitting tab. There we go. Yep. Terrific. All right, back over to your Windows Explorer. And let's unzip one of those. So that one right there. Actually, delete the other one that you have so they don't fight. That folder down at the bottom. Nope. The folder.
Oh, the full file itself. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, you're fine. All right, Butimus. All right, so I want you to extract that.
And then extract
the fourth
two?
one, yeah. All right.
Otherwise, I was
second
gonna say
verse,
otherwise.
same as the first. So you're going to drag that into your VS Code.
Right. Sorry, guys. Here we go. And same fashion, we're just going to drag it all the way down here to the bottom.
One hundo.
Copy.
All right, now hop back into that folder for me.
Should we just go ahead and replace it?
Correct. All right, now I want you to hop into that folder for me. Yep. And then give me an LS. Hey, CD into that folder. Hey, give me an LS. Well, that's what we like to see. So give me a sudo mv bin/spring and use your tab completion. There we go. And so space, you're going to move it into the /bin/user, like USR, /local/bin. All right, fire it off. Authorize it. Okay, very nice. Now I want you to sudo mv space lib with a V. Oh, sorry, no, you did it right. I'm end of the day for everybody. And then whatever the name of the file is, just hit tab a couple times. There we go. Into /usr/local/lib.
That's with a B.
Yep. All right, very nice. So now we're going to make the Spring thing executable. So you're going to do sudo chmod.
I'm sorry, sudo what?
chmod.
chmod.
Space plus X because we're giving execute permissions. Those are all together. No, not the chmod. It's chmod space plus X. Yeah, there you go. Space /usr/local/bin/spring. Fire it off. All right, now give me a which spring. Like, which spring is it? Okay, that looks good. Give me a spring -- help. And there we are, homies. All right.
Thank you so much.
I am going to put that recording up.